Good morning, everyone. I know many of you already started working on the project, and some of you even already finished it and handed it in. Thank you so much to the student who work in such an efficient way. So I know it's been a little bit late, but since several students still have questions regarding the project, I think it's easier to have a template to share with you today. So for the student who already have started, it's definitely you can continue working whatever the pace you like. For the ones you haven't, maybe you can use this template to have an easy start. So in this video, I'm going to introduce some stuff I create in this template and how you're going to use it. Of course, you can always just design it in your own way, use a different background, use different theme, or whatever the way you want to design it. So let's just get started. So the first page, as I mentioned, is actually the cover. Through the whole video, I'm probably going to say this several times, but just want to remind you, creativity is part of your grade. So please do not just stick to the template I share with you. Make sure you use a different color, add a different factors, or use different kind of decoration to make your journal attractive. Okay, so you can definitely change the background. Do not forget to add your name. For some reminders like these sentences here, please make sure you can delete before you hand in the final project. And second page, as I mentioned in the doc, is actually table of contents. It should include all the pages and the topics you have. And also do not forget to change the page number once you finish everything. So for the vocabularies, as we mentioned in the project, you need to choose 6 words from the list I gave you. So here is just a simple list of this. Again, you can always change the design you like or background color or whatever the way you like. And also, so this one I just give you an example of what are the things you need to show for each word. So basically, you can limit the word for each page as one word, one page. For each word, you need to have definition. Please show this in your own words, not just copy paste from the internet. Show some pictures of the vocabularies you choose. Also show the real life example. You can either describe it or put a picture. A last non-example, I just want to remind you, as I mentioned in the class, non-example is not just totally brand new thing. It's more like the non-example you gave is actually have some similarities in with the word you choose. However, it does show the difference. For example, the word you choose, I'm not saying this is from the word, but for example, you are talking about diameter. So some student might see, okay, so what good example is not just say, oh, a rectangle or a straight line or this kind of thing. You want to have something similarities, but also have a major difference can tell this is non-example. Then radius will be the good non-example compared to diameter, right? So please make sure you are going to create 6 pages for the vocabulary. Each word can take up to 1 page. Next one is all parts of the circle. In previous video, I show you can draw this and also insert the picture here. It can also be just 1 page. But just want to remind you, do not forget the words I listed in the doc. So please make sure on your picture you need to show all the parts of the circle as I mentioned. Do not miss some parts, okay? For the Q&A, so I gave you 3 questions for 2 answers. So what I did here, I just put a 3 question here. So you can just type the answer for each question here. Of course, you want to have different design, or you want to add some pictures, or even you just want to change background color, just go for it. And next page is going to be the author. So this part you can just introduce share everything you want to share with us. I just give like a very, very simple example, like your favorite sport, game, music, movie, book, or even your favorite food, or the languages you can speak, all kinds of different things. And definitely pictures are really, really welcome here. So please show. This one is puzzle or even brain teaser. It's all like trick question. It doesn't have to be a math related question, and you don't need to show the answer here, but just make this fun page. And again, color, different decorations are always welcome because, as I mentioned, creativity is part of grade. I add a final page as a conclusion or a thank you page. You can design whatever the way you like, or if you don't like it, you can change a different topic here, just go for it. So this is basically the things I want to share with you for the final project. I will put this template in the Google Class. You're welcome to use it, or you don't like it, you design your own way, that's fine. Or if you already have used Google Doc, just continue use whatever the way you started, okay? Good luck, everyone. If you have any questions, you can always email us, okay? See you soon.